up and welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are good. Please excuse the mess that is everywhere. Like sometimes some days are like that, but anyways, how is everyone doing? I hope you guys are good. So today is Sunday the 25th of August, and yeah, today I'm kind of doing like a mini vlog. So I didn't go to church today. I stayed at home and did my worship. You can even hear some gospel music playing in the background. But yeah, so today I actually have like an event I'm going for. So there's this new like fair that just started in Lagos. It's called the skincare fair. So they kind of sent like invites to some, would I call it influencers? I don't know, but they sent some of us invites. So if you're following me on Instagram, you would have seen me post up like the poster of the event on my page. So yeah, they sent a couple of us like invites and everything. So yeah, so today I'm basically going to like take you guys along. I'm going to vlog a little bit and all that. So yeah, so excuse the fact that I look like a bum. I'm in my element. Like I'm literally just about to like start getting ready to take a shower and all that. So yeah, I just came to do like a quick intro and everything. So once I'm done my makeup and everything, I will come back and we can start heading out. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, so what's up? I am actually ready. I'm actually in my car driving to the event. So yeah, I will see you guys once I get there. like, this is like the first edition, so it was actually nice. The founder, which is Prima Donna MUA, I put up a video with her. So yeah, she actually did a very great job, like bringing all these brands together to come and sell under one roof. So yeah, I'm happy for her. Congratulations to